Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we will learn how we can add, how we can use the select tool. Okay, the select tool we can use from the two different methods. Our select tool is being worked with us. First of all, you just have to go to this search box and write here the select. Okay, enter. This will be appeared like this, has your select analysis tool. Okay, just click on that and just give them an input path. I just want to select from ArcADM3. It's working in the backward here. From and here you can give it's any output to I just want to save here selected feature. Okay, I just will give its name selected. Okay, save, and from here I will just check in the area, check in the thing which I want to select from this map. Okay, go click on this and I just want to select from this name one. Okay, press this equal to and get the unique values. Go to get unique values. This is Pakistan. This name 0 is Pakistan, and after name 1 is the provinces of Pakistan, and the name 2 is the districts of Pakistan, and the name 3 is the cities of Pakistan. Okay, I will just click, I just will make this clearance to the clear. I just click on the name 1 and then equal to, and then I will just press on this and I will get these all the provinces of Pakistan. Okay, this is Azad Kashmir, Balochistan, FATA, FCT, NWFP, Northwestern, FATA, Pakistan, and Punjab. I just want to select this Punjab. Okay, press double on this and press on OK. After that, just click on the OK button. You will see that your Punjab region will be selected. Okay, just wait for a while to check in that your Punjab region is being selected. I think so. It's working in its. Now you can see that this is your selected Punjab region. Okay, means that your selected feature select this separate this Punjab region from your Pakistan map. Okay, these all are the cities, the districts and cities of your Punjab region. This is about the select map. This is this all about the select map. Let's I just want to select another thing, another city within the Punjab area. I just press here the selected, and after that I will give it to location, this location Punjab. Okay, just press on OK, and from here just you have to now you have to select the name 2 file. Name 3 is the cities and name 2 is your districts of within the Punjab. Okay, now I am selecting my area within the Punjab to go to the unique values, and after that I just want to select this Faisalabad city. Okay, press OK. It's not selected, something is wrong. Just get the unique values and it's wrong too anyway. Just again name 2 equal to get unique values. Just want to add Faisalabad and press OK. Now press OK. Now you will see that the Faisalabad area will be selected. This is the Faisalabad area. Okay, now you are clear about the selection tool. This is all about the selection tool. You can directly use this. You can directly select your desired area by this. Just go to the selection button and just click here to the select by attribute. You just have to write here any name and it will be automatically selected. I just want to select this name to file and press equal to and get the unique values. I just want to select Sargodha. Okay, just want to select the Sargodha and press on OK. Now you will see that the Sargodha within your area will be selected. Okay, but it will be selected into this region, into your into the park ADM 3, into not to your selected map area. It will be selected to your park ADM 3 map. Now you can see that this area has been selected by direct select tool. The direct select tool not separates, not clipped this area from the map. The select tool, select analysis tool, which we use from the search bar, it also select the area and clipped that area from our map. Okay, this selection tool is just only to select the definite area, definite city, definite district. Okay, this was all about was to the select tool. I just click on here and I will just make the selections clear. My all selections will be cleared to just move back. This is my Faisalabad area within the Punjab. No, that all was about the select tool, and thank you so much for your time. I hope you understand about this.